Need to change the language in Brave browser? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of changing Brave's display language, even if the browser is currently displayed in a language you don't recognize. For this example, I'll switch from Hungarian back to English, but the same steps work for any language. Start by opening Brave browser, then click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser window to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. If your browser is in another language, look for the gear icon since that always represents the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click Languages. If you're having trouble finding it, look for the icon that shows an A letter and a kanji character since that's the symbol for the Languages menu. Even if the text is different, its position in the Settings menu is usually the same, making it easier to find. Here you'll see the list of languages currently available in Brave browser. If the language you want is already listed, click the three dots next to it and choose the option to display Brave in that language. If your preferred language isn't listed, click Add Languages. A searchable list of languages will appear and each one is shown in its native form, so you can easily find the language you need. Find the language you want to use, check the box next to it, and then click Add. Once the language has been added, click the three dots beside it and choose the option to use that language for the Brave interface. Click the Relaunch button, and when Brave opens again, the interface will appear in your selected language. Changing the display language only affects Brave's menus and interface. It won't translate websites, but it does make the browser easier to use in your preferred language. You've now learned how to switch Brave browser to a different language, even if you need to undo a language change you made by mistake. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes changing the language in Brave browser a little easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.